Skypoint's AI platform unifies your data estate to unlock the power of generative AI for immediate, accurate, and industry-specific answers across your organization. Skypoint lets you chat with your data in context. There's two main types of data that we work with. First one being structured data. This is data that's organized in a predefined format and from your common systems and solutions. With this type of structured data, you can ask questions like, what are our total overtime hours split by job role? Unstructured data is the opposite. It's data that's not organized in a predefined way. Let's take a look at some generative AI prompt examples. So the first category is unstructured data. Explain how our facility ensures compliance with state regulations. So what we're seeing here is a comprehensive program. This is pulled from our internal documentation that we've uploaded to our secure demo lakehouse environment. Clinical knowledge management is another unstructured data type that refers to all the non-standardized information that is relevant to patient or resident care, but it's not easily categorized into your traditional database. The question we're going to ask is, what's our discharge criteria for someone with Alzheimer's or dementia, someone who's involved in those programs in our community? If they want to be discharged, what is the criteria? So we're providing this information to employees at their fingertips in a safe, controlled environment. So once we input that prompt, it is actually going to look into your database with the information that you've provided, which in this case, it's documentation. Now we're going to look at more structured data in the context of operational and financial data. So structured data are any of your core systems, EHR, ERP, CRM, or any industry-specific solution. So let's take a look at an example of one prompt. What are the overtime hours split by job role? And you can ask it to put this in descending or ascending order, and it tells you where the data is sourced from. I want to know, what is my current resident count based on the type of living for all communities. So now we have a chart being populated with the total resident count by community and the type of living. So let's take a look at some structured data prompts for clinical, patient, or resident data sets. So I'm going to ask some insurance information about a particular patient or resident by the name of Sheila Carter. In this case, we can look up the name of the insurance provider, the type, Medicare ID, policy number, the insured's name, patient number, as well as whether or not they are enrolled in a Medicare Advantage plan. You can compare vital sign trends between different facilities. So here it's asking for more detailed information. And this is important because it's not going to hallucinate an answer and make something up. And that's important for the healthcare and clinical industry. I'm going to call out blood pressure, and let's see what kind of a response we get. What's nice about this response is not only does it provide you with the answer, but it also gives you a reason why. Now let's take a look at a combination prompt. This question is a combo prompt that requires the LLM to assess two data sources to answer this question. Number one, the structured clinical data, in this case, allergy details sourced from EHR records. And two, unstructured knowledge management. So this is your documented policies and procedures sourced from internal documents like your PDFs and Word documents. So in this case, let's list all the allergic reactions reported for the resident or patient named Andrew Salas. Let's create a care plan for Andrew based on these allergies. So now we're adding a combination prompt by asking to connect clinical structured data with unstructured data, which is knowledge management. These are our internal documents, processes, and procedures. So right now it's creating a care plan specifically for Andrew based on the reported allergies. So it's taking the information sourced from EHR records and combining it with our internal policies and procedures to create a custom care plan for Andrew. Head over to our website and schedule a demo for more examples.